Hi everyone! Welcome back to TempCoder Tech, where we take you from PowerShell basics to advanced scripting techniques. Today, we're going to master navigating the file system in PowerShell using two essential cmdlets, Get-ChildItem and Set-Location. Let's dive right in. PowerShell is more than just a scripting language, it's also a powerful tool for navigating and managing your file system. Whether you're switching directories or listing files and folders, PowerShell offers easy-to-use commands that help you work more efficiently. The Get-ChildItem cmdlet is similar to the dir command in command prompt. It allows you to list files and directories in a specific path. Let's start with a simple example by running Get-ChildItem without any parameters. By default, this command lists all files and folders in the current directory. You can also use shorthand aliases for this cmdlet, like ji or dir, which might be familiar if you're coming from the command prompt. If you want to list the contents of a specific directory, just add the path as a parameter. For example, let's list the contents of the c:\windows directory. This command lists all files and subdirectories within the c:\windows folder, giving you an overview of its contents. You can also use wildcards with Get-ChildItem to filter your results. For example, if you only want to see .txt files in the current directory, you can run the following command. PowerShell will now only display files that end with .txt. This is useful when you're looking for specific file types. Sometimes, you may want to list all files in a directory and its subdirectories. You can do this with the Recurse parameter. Now that you know how to list files, let's talk about how to navigate directories. The Set-Location cmdlet allows you to change the current directory you're working in. It's the PowerShell equivalent of the cd command in command prompt. Here, we've changed our working directory to c:\windows. From this point forward, any commands we run will affect this new directory unless we change location again. Just like Get-ChildItem, Set-Location also has an alias, cd. If you're more comfortable with traditional command line navigation, you can use cd instead. Now let's combine these two cmdlets to perform basic file management. You can use Get-ChildItem to list the files in a directory, then use Set-Location to move to that directory and start working on its contents. This makes it easy to explore and manage your file system directly from PowerShell. Here's an advanced tip. You can combine Get-ChildItem with pipes to filter or manipulate the output. For example, to display only directories, you can use the following command. Get-ChildItem, where object $_.ps is container. This command lists only the directories in the current location, filtering out files. To wrap things up, Get-ChildItem helps you list the contents of any directory, while Set-Location allows you to navigate between directories easily. Mastering these two commands is essential for navigating the file system with PowerShell. Stay tuned for more PowerShell tips as we continue our journey from beginner to advanced.